Hello and welcome. Do you want to master Excel and boost your career? Good news! We bring you a special Excel shortcut course designed for students, professionals, and business owners. Learn the most powerful Excel tricks in just minutes. Must pay? Yes. Expensive? No. One-time payment. Lifetime access. Learn anytime, anywhere, at your own pace. This course will help you work faster, save time, and impress at school, office, or business. From beginners to advanced users, everyone can benefit. So don't miss this opportunity. One-time payment. Lifetime learning. Join today. Download IMA app and unlock the full power of Excel. Thank you.